Hi students, let's begin today's class. Chapter 3, Pair of linear equations in two variables. So this chapter is about linear equations in two variables. So before moving on to that, let's see what linear equation in one variable is. Ax plus b equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable. Here the variable used is x and a and b can take real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. So we have learned that linear equations in one variable can have only one solution. That is, only one solution is possible for a linear equation in one variable. So let's move on to linear equations in two variables. That is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here x and y are the variables used. So there are two variables. And a, b and c are the real numbers. And the condition is a and b are not both 0. That means a and b both cannot be 0 at the same time. One at a time is okay, but both cannot be 0 at the same time. So this is a linear equation in two variables. So you have already learned in your 9th grade, a linear equation in two variables can have infinitely many solutions. So let's take an example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 is a linear equation in two variables. What are the solutions for this pair of variables x and y? So when you give the values for x and y, if the LHS is equal to RHS, you say that ordered pair is a solution for this equation. So here if you give the value of x as 3, then 2 into 3 6 plus 3 into 2 6. So y equal to 2 is a solution for this equation. That is, if you substitute for x 3, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So you can see LHS is equal to RHS. That means x is equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is a solution for this equation. So here if you take the value of x as 0, then 3y is equal to 12. So y equal to 12 by 3. That is 4. So y equal to 4. So 0, 4 is another solution for this equation. So here you have got 3, 2 and 0, 4 as the solutions for this linear equation in two variables. Likewise, you will have infinitely many solutions and all these solutions will lie on the line representing the linear equation in a graph. Each solution x, y of a linear equation in two variables ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 corresponds to a point on the line representing the equation and vice versa. That is, all the solutions will lie on the line representing the linear equation. In this chapter, we will be dealing with the pair of linear equations in two variables. So till now you have learned what linear equations in one variable is and linear equation in two variables. Now here we are going to see pair of linear equations. Pair means two. That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are real numbers and x and y are the variables. And the condition is both a1 and b1 should not be 0. Similar way, a2 and b2 should not be 0. So when you represent these two equations in graph, you know they will give two straight lines. That is, for this linear equation in two variable there will be a straight line, and for this linear equation in two variable there will be another straight line. So these are the three possibilities for the two straight lines in a graph. That is, they may intersect or they will be parallel. That is, they will not touch each other, or they will be coincident. That is, one will be on top of the other. So these are the three possibilities for the straight lines when you represent it geometrically. So we'll learn in detail how to represent this geometrically and algebraically and how to find the solutions. Thanks for watching.